हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन सोसाइटी इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। द प्लेस एंड रोल ऑफ वुमेन हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ मैटर ऑफ डिस्कशन। सम फेवर द फ्रीडम ऑफ वुमेन while others shun it. Other than debates and discussions, it is now an admitted fact that the role of women in progress and prosperity of a society cannot be ignored in any way. Women have successfully performed every role imposed upon them. Naturally, they are housewives, but they have been leaders, doctors, social workers and educators. In modern times, they are considered an inevitable part of social construction. The history of place of women is not very pleasant. They have been man's first slave. They have been the subject of terror and ill treatment. They were considered inferior. But with the passage of time, they have turned the tables and have compelled men to admit that God has granted a solid status to women. It was also a common misconception that women have no independent identity. A woman without a man was considered a ship without sails. But the hard struggle of independence and self-respect has enabled women to prove that they can control the houses and even load the nation in the hour of need or the chance provided. In the field of education, it was not considered a necessity to educate women. They were not allowed to receive even the basic education. But now gone are the days of women illiteracy. At present, women are not only receiving education, they are also imparting knowledge to the nation. Conclusion: in the end, we can say that today there is hardly any field of life in which women have not taken part or proved their ability. They have risen from the depths of slavery to the heights of leadership and equality. Their past was dark, their present is safe and their future is quite ब्राइट। तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।